Hanxue Hummer Vehicle Industry Co., Ltd. is located in Luohuang Industrial Park, Zhongjin District. There are 18,856 square meters, having production lines, assembly lines, and testing equipment. Having the China first-class production catalog, the company currently has over 260 employees and its monthly production capacity for single vehicle components reaches 12,000 sets. Assembly of 8,000 vehicles. It is an enterprise that integrates the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of gasoline tricycles and new energy electric tricycle. Craftsmanship is the lifeline of a brand, carrying dreams as the corporate mission. The company mainly produces and sells tricycles and new energy electric tricycles. 3 modern production lines support dozens of product categories. On the path of innovation, the company has achieved remarkable results, obtained 18 patents. Among them, the utility model patent for the rear wheel balancing device of the three-wheeled motorcycle has even led the way in China. Despite the impact of the economic downturn at home and abroad in recent years, the output has sharply decreased to 1/5 of the production capacity. High costs and restricted sales channels have brought about numerous difficulties. However, the company actively analyzed market demands and formulated precise expansion plans, waiting for a breakthrough in innovation and perseverance. While pursuing development, enterprises always bear social responsibility on their shoulders, carrying out long-term charity activities. Enter rural areas and purchase any vehicle model for customers who are responsible for supporting 2 elderly individuals aged 60 or above, and provide a 2,000 yuan fund. After the employees' children graduate from university, a monthly subsidy of 500 yuan will be provided. Pass on warmth through actions. In the summer of 2024, the company will launch a sales campaign. The convoy set off from Guizhou and passed through places like Zunyi, Beizi, and Hili, arrived in Guangxi, then in Yunnan, and finally returned to Sichuan. This event is not only a sales expansion, but also a pursuit and continuation of the Red Spirit. Let the brand deeply embed its spiritual connotations in the Red culture environment. The foundation of the enterprise's development is deeply rooted in Chinese culture. Both Mr. Liu and Mr. Li come from military families. Actively respond to the national call. Nowadays, the proportion of military families is 5%. Throughout the course of time, Hanxue and Hanma Company has maintained its original mission. Keeping pace with the country's development, with the responsibility of a soldier, we will continue to forge ahead in this era. Build the brilliance of Chinese enterprises with integrity.